Hey guys, it's Big1B here. So today I'm just going to be doing some cooking. So yeah, we gotta get bread. Well, not even cooking, I'm just making a sandwich. So yeah, this one is going to be a goldfish one. I'm going to put goldfish in for my teeth. So you gotta get 2 slices of bread. Put them on your plate. So yeah, I'm just going to sip it up so the bread does not get dry. And you just gotta spin it and put this thing right on here, like this. Okay, now I'm done that. So you can put the bread over there. So okay, where did I put the butter knife? I think I never got one out. Okay, so you gotta take a clean butter knife. Well, instead of butter, I'm gonna use mayonnaise. Mayonnaise contains eggs, so yeah. If you're in my class, last year you guys knew that I love eggs. Ooh. How does tug it? 3, 2, 1. Without this spit out, I cannot tug. Okay, back to the video. So you want to put your butter knife in the mayonnaise container. This is what mayonnaise looks like. What's the due date? I'm confused. Oh my gosh. Please tell me. Is there even a due date? It's not even a due date and it smells bad. It looks kind of weird. It looks like white chocolate. So yeah, I'm gonna put my butter knife in. I'm gonna take some like this. And I'm gonna spread it on my piece of bread. And kind of need some more. Do not do that with the other piece. That's gonna be too much mayonnaise and you do not want that. Make sure you wash your hands before cooking. That's what I did. I'm just gonna let my dog out. Go out, Lottie. Come on. Okay. Okay, back to the video. So now, what should I do? I just gotta finish. Yeah. If there's like any remaining on, just wipe on the end of the bread, like this. And push like down like that. If you do not know. Okay, time to get the mustard. I know that a lot of people don't like mustard, but I do. Well, before using it, it's best to shake it up like this. So yeah, once you're done doing that, put it on this piece of bread that's not covered with mayonnaise. So I'm just going to put a tiny circle on. Like this. And now I'm just going to spread it around with my butter knife. It's okay if you use the same butter knife. You do not want a lot of mustard. This amount of mustard will be good for a sandwich. Okay, now we're done that. I'm just gonna go check on my dog's body. What the heck is he? Marty, get out! Go! Marty, go! Come on, Marty, get inside. Marty, treats? Marty! Okay, then I'm gonna give my dog these treats. If you saw my eating dog food video. We use all the same blend, but just a different, what is it called? Like, flavor. Now I gotta wash my hands. Okay, sorry guys. But make sure you wash your hands and put on soap. And make sure you rub your soap on both hands. And now, get some warm water and turn it on. And just wash them, and yeah. And then you gotta dry them off with a towel. I'm doing that out of camera, I don't feel like bringing the towel over. Okay, my hands are not that dry. Okay, now they are. So now for the meat, I'm gonna be using bologna, B-O-L-O-G-N-A, bologna. What? I'm confused. So it's not open, so I'm just gonna make it open with some scissors. Make sure you hold the scissors like this, so if you fall, it won't hurt yourself. Safety first, kids. Oh, okay. You wanna get a slice? Oh my gosh. Okay, I thought somebody was coming down. This is so hard to pick up meat. It's so slimy. Okay, there, I picked up one piece. Please don't cut. Okay, I got one piece. I will just put it on the mayonnaise side. I'm just gonna put two because that is very thin. You need your protein. Protein is good. Wait, Marty? Yeah, you need your protein to be a big, healthy dog. Oh, I'm telling you guys, it's so slimy. Okay, since you've done that, I'm just gonna go get a plastic bag. Is there any tiny ones? No. I'm just gonna use this big bag. We don't have no tiny ones for my family. These bags are Ziploc bags. They're very good bags. So you gotta open it up and just I will just put the bacon too. Just for more safety. So yeah, you gotta do that. And then put it back in the fridge. I'll just do that with the sauce as well. Or like mayonnaise and mustard. Make sure the caps are closed very good. Oh my gosh. Okay, since you're done doing that, I gotta see how long the video is at. Oh, 8 minutes. Okay. Now, get your goldfish. Yeah, my dog can eat them all. He loves these. He loves these. Okay, let's try not to spill anymore. So grab your goldfish. You gotta stand in a weird position. Oh my gosh. Good. I love goldfish. The snack back smells back. So grab some goldfish like this and then put them on. Goldfish is a good flavor for cheese. And if you like crunchy sandwiches, put more goldfish on. And then grab your mustard and just do that. Oh dang it. And then just close it. And just hit it a few times to compact it down. I'm just going to put the goldfish away carefully. Okay, I'm gonna put my knife in the dishwasher. Okay, put the scissors away like this. I'm just gonna finish my water. Now I'm gonna put it in the dishwasher. Okay, we've done that. Now let's eat the sandwich. Well, me. So now we're gonna, eat the sandwich. Okay. Oh. Look at that. I'm just gonna eat this one. Make sure you hold it at both sides. That's good. Very good. Sorry. Very good sandwich. ASMR. Sorry. Okay. ASMR. I'm going under. My dog is just waiting for me to drop food. This is so good. Best sandwich ever. I suggest that you make this sandwich. It's good. Good, good, good. ASMR. Good. Sorry. Very good, very good. I can never waste goldfish. They're too good. No. So good. I'm gonna go get some more water. Oh, I put in my cup already, dang it. I told you I would drop food. Well, I never told you, but my dog was waiting for me. I'm gonna drop one for him. Oh, it landed on his fur. It did not make a noise. One more minute. Gotta go ham. Oops. That's right. Sorry. That's gonna be the end of a yummy cooking video. Bye, Big 1B.